Right, I've drilled 2 holes, one each side. This one on the right hand side, looking at the front of the car, lines up exactly with a hole in the existing front panel. And I've fitted in the front panel now 1/4 UNF stainless fixings to line up with these holes. I've tried fitting the grille and check the position of it. I've also made up two little aluminium turnbuckles to actually fit it into position, and I will show you that in a minute when it's fitted. So you can see the fixing that side, which picks up an existing hole, very luckily. That is designed like that. And on the other side, we just spotted through and put another fixing in. So yeah, so that's where we are. And I've got the oil cooler to actually one side, and I've just cut the centre stay and just packed it forward very slightly. So we've got a slight more curve in the grille, just cleared that. But that gives me access to the starter motor, obviously, then as well, with the cooler set to offside. Just clears the alternator. And as you can see, we've made a bit of progress. We've got the head back from car kitchen, and that's on. Tappet's still to be done. Rocker cover obviously still be fixed properly, and heater cooling hoses. Carburetors are on, but still got to be fuel lines connected, and we will soon be there ready for startup. We've checked the clearance on the calipers. I've got one caliper on, put one wheel on, checked it rotates okay. Fitted near side passenger door, and seals are a little bit tight, but I'll try a heat gun on those just to see if I can let them bed in a bit. And what we've got to do now is get it up onto the lift so we can attach the exhaust. What we'll do now is just show you attaching the grille. Line that hole up, line that hole up, one turnbuckle, two turnbuckles. There we are, we have our grille fixed. There we are. We've got both side windows positioned in with its seals. I've still got to do the back fixings to the interior trim, through the interior trim. But what I did do, the frames are all falling apart. The steel joining pieces at the front, where the hinges are, had rusted right through. So I took the two windows completely apart and swapped them side for side, because the frames themselves are identical. So that puts the good chrome now on the outside of each side. And rebuilt the joining pieces with brass strip so they won't rust anymore, and used M3 fixings to fit them back with. So that's how we've gone about that, and yeah, it's worked out quite well. Roof lining is all in, and the rear trims, and obviously the sun visors that I did, and we've got a look-alike 60s Ailey type, John Ailey type roll cage, and we've got a bit of nostalgia there, the actual John Ailey clamp bracket, So there's a little bit of nostalgia in this car now. So yeah, so now we've got all the internal trim to sort out, and just as I say, those side window fixings at the back to spot through the trim, and we're making progress.